Dancehall artist Munga under Rebels attorney Christopher Townsend has dismissed rumors that his client has been charged with assault and illegal possession of a firearm. This comes after fans of the artist circulated a news report which cited a man who goes by the alias Munga being arrested on Friday for a shooting incident that took place last September. In an interview with E-Prime, Christopher Townsend sought to explain the impact of the misinformation.
It has caused some discomfort in the Munga camp. Certainly we are fielding calls left, right and center, person asking what is happening, people from overseas. We have contracts overseas to perform contracts here. Persons are wondering whether or not the contract is in jeopardy. So they have caused a little stir. It is settling down now, as persons are aware that it is in fact not their artist, and he remains a law-abiding citizen.
The artist, however, was in good spirits and delivered a slew of his hits at the Appleton Estate Energy event held on Friday. Munga Honorable is gearing up to celebrate his birthday on June 11 with his Bud from a Bond party in St. Mary. Grammy winner Damon Junagong Marley has released his rhythm compilation titled Still Go A Dance. The project features singles like the title track Still Go A Dance by Christopher Ellis, Capleton, and Yamibolo's Chosen People, as well as legendary Barris Hammond on the track titled Holy Akana, among others. Still Go A Dance is a celebration of a culture that still heavily pervades the Jamaican landscape, dances, and parties. This marks the newest rhythm from Ghetto Youths International, which aims to champion preserving the culture of the music through its productions. The compilation is available for purchase and streaming on all digital platforms. Now, dancehall artist Reggae was involved in a motor vehicle accident over the weekend. He was traveling in a Toyota Axio car which overturned on the north-south leg of Highway 2000 Saturday morning. According to reports, Reggae was returning from a show at Machette High School located in Wakefield, Trelawney, where he had performed the school's event to help raise funds for their track and field team. In February, Reggae was freed of firearm charges in a January 2021 incident. The artist is known for tracks such as Chosen, King in a War, Living, and Cookie Jar, among others. Golden Globe-winning actress and filmmaker Taraji P. Henson is scheduled to return as host of this year's BET Awards. The event will mark her second time as host of the annual ceremony celebrating Black excellence in music, film, TV, and sports. The first round of voting for the BET Awards was extended from Friday to this Friday, May 13. The BET Awards is dubbed one of the most watched award show on cable television. It is set to return at the Microsoft Theatre in Los Angeles on June 26. I'm Dadrain Gordon, reporting for E-Prime.